They said you are too small to speak. I smiled and said, maybe, but I'm brave enough to try. I'll stand before you all, not by chance, but by courage, not by age, but by ambition. Good morning, everyone. I'm Insha from class 7, a girl with a dream and a voice that's ready to fly. They said you are too small to speak. I smiled and said, maybe, but I'm brave enough to try. Here at Alpha English Academy, we are not just learning English. We are learning how to walk with confidence, how to stand without fear, and how to speak with purpose. Every class is not just a lesson, it's a step towards my future. And every time I speak, I grow a little stronger. To all those who ever felt they were not good enough, look at me. If I can speak, so can you. Thank to my teachers and to Bhat Tahir sir for showing me that even soft voices can shake the stage. Before I go, let me leave you with this little quote. Don't wait to be big to be bold. I repeat, don't wait to be big to be bold. Start now, speak now, rise now. Thank you so much, and yes, this is just the beginning.